Hello everyone, my name is Russell. So for this video, I'll be teaching you how to download and install uTorrent. So before we proceed, let's know first the function of uTorrent. uTorrent is a software that you can use to download movies, music, MP3, software programs such as Microsoft Office, Adobe CC, and a lot more. So let's start. For this tutorial, let's download it and install it. First step, open up your browser and search for www.utorrent.com. And we will be looking for uTorrent Classic. So scroll it down. We won't be downloading this one. We will be downloading this one. So obviously, we need to left click this button, green button, download uTorrent Classic, left click it, and the software will be giving you four options. First is Pro plus VPN. It is worth $69.95. Pro for $19.95 and ad-free for $4.95. So this is yearly. You need to pay uTorrent for these prices yearly or annually. We'll be having this one simply because it's for free. So it's just the basic one, but it would be helpful and it is capable of downloading a lot of things. So you don't need to pay for amount yearly. So let's left click download now and let's wait for our software to download. So let's wait for a few seconds. And now we are done downloading our software. Next thing that we'll be doing is install our program. So just simply left click this one on the lower left soft, left click it, and let's wait what will happen. Okay, so this is the first pop-up box. Welcome to uTorrent. So if you want to read this one, so it's just a guide for you. And the uTorrent that we downloaded is version 3.5.5. So let's just click next and click next again. Then agree to license agreement and privacy policy. You could read this one, but let's not. And you can uncheck this check boxes if you do not like to have a desktop icon or whatever, but I'll just let it be checked. So let's click next. Same with this one. I won't be unchecked this check boxes. Next. And let's wait for the uTorrent to be installed. And it's already done. Thank you for installing uTorrent. Click finish. And here is our uTorrent software. On my next video, I'll be teaching you how to download movies using uTorrent. Thank you for watching it. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you and God bless.